First of all, are these on? I won't be taking any questions. Thanks to all you guys for showing up. I just want to make an announcement. I sit before you guys today, a humbled man. I want to apologize, first of all, to my family and my friends. Also to my subscribers, which I also consider my family. I'm calling myself a hypocrite, a liar. I've misled a few people with my actions. And I'm humbled, and I just wanted to apologize. I'm sorry, this is really tough. But I wanted to get here in front of the camera and send a sincere apology to all my subscribers. A couple in particular. I'll actually name names. Mr. McFly KOF. I spoke to you personally about this. And also Mr. Davey McFly. Two Y's. This Funko thing. I said I wouldn't get involved. I wouldn't be a part of it. Didn't understand it. Wouldn't be a part of the wave. I'm a trendsetter, not a follower. What have I done? What have I done? Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker Roll, and I am back with another video. Now today, what we're gonna talk about, as you can hear in the beginning of this video, the intro to this video, and obviously it's probably gonna be in a thumbnail somewhere. But we're gonna talk about these Funkos. I have no idea. I literally have. See, this is how you know how things are, like, people and things can be so easily influenced. Like, and I'm a strong-minded person, but I didn't even get on the wave. Like, Josiah has Funkos. Like, he has a few of the Black Panther characters and stuff. Like, you know, I didn't even get Michael Jordan or nothing. Like, I'm like, what am I doing? Like, I got on eBay and was scrolling, and somehow I ended up down a rabbit hole on Funkos. And I told myself, I was like, you know what? If I do this, if I plan on pulling the trigger, I'm going to get something very inexpensive, but something I want. And that's what it's going to be anyway. If I get anything, same thing with the sneaker game, it's going to be something I want. I'm not looking, I don't know what's resellable, resale prices, what's limited, what's rare and sought after. If I get anything, it's only going to be something that I want. And I still was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? And I went and did it anyway. And this is, you know what? Before I ramble on too much longer, y'all want to see what I got. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. So, let's take a quick little second. And then I'm going to bring the box out and show y'all what I actually purchased. Alright, y'all. As you can see, we got one little mini box here. Let's crack right into it. And I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Shit is so addictive. Okay. Now, what I told myself is that if I get anything, I'm only going to get something that I want. That's it. I don't care what anybody else got. From watching videos, like, I think I might have a Funko made of me somewhere. Like, there's a Funko of every single thing on the planet. Every TV show, every movie character, every cartoon character, every sci-fi, like, everything has a Funko. I probably have a Funko somewhere. Anyway, the things that I'm into, that I'm extreme, like I'm really heavy into, that's the only thing that things that I would go for. So what I did was, I'm a really big sports fan, really big football fan. And my first purchase, Funko Pop, is Jerry Rice. Now, the reason Jerry Rice is my first ever Funko purchase is simply because he's the best player to ever play football. And he's my favorite football player of all time. Like, I was a pretty good high school football player, didn't go past that, but I was a wide receiver, modeled my game after Jerry Rice and everything else like that. Amazing hands, route running, all that, best to ever do it. Not up for debate. But anyway, so I was like, yo, I think I paid like $10 for this. I don't know if that's how, do they have the retail prices for these on here? I have no idea. I don't know. Brand new in box, but I don't know how much this, I don't even know how much retail is, but $10 doesn't seem like a lot for me. And I think that's where the problem lies. When you're used to buying $200 sneakers and you see something for $10, you're like, yo, I'll get about 5 of those. You know what I'm saying? I ain't heard $50, that ain't nothing. That's why people get stuck. So anyway, Jerry Rice, y'all let me know. This might not be, I don't know how many people own this. You know what I'm saying? Because people are buying all of these, you know, I don't know, buying everything. You know, they looking for stuff. I'm not looking for anything in particular. But, all right, so Jerry Rice, yay, my number one. Yeah, oh, that's my favorite player of all. Once you go down the rabbit hole, all right, so Jerry Rice, right? It's like chips, man. Once you get one and it's $10, you might as well just keep looking for other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got money to burn. You got money to blow. You know what I'm saying? These ain't J's or Yeezys or anything like that. You can buy these all day, Bobby. You can just stay on eBay. See what? I can't even open this damn box. It's probably a sign. Now, I'm actually excited about this. All jokes aside, I didn't damage the box. I don't care about that. I'm actually really excited about this. Really excited about this. Matter of fact, before I show y'all what this is, I'm gonna open the other one as well. I'll probably speed it up because y'all don't need to watch me open the box. All right. So now that we got all of that out of the way, bam! Prince Akeem. Bam! Prince Akeem. Now, for those of you that don't know, and none of you will unless you know me personally, Coming to America is my favorite movie of all time. Not even close. There's nothing. I don't even know what's a close second. I'm such a fan of Coming to America. I got these Coming to America trivia cards for my birthday from Jay. That's how big of a fan I am of this movie. Shout out to Jay for those cards. But if y'all don't, this is when Eddie Murphy, Prince Akeem, was working at McDowell's. It's like the knockoff McDonald's. And this is him as Prince Akeem from Zamunda. So, this, like I said, I'm a huge Coming to America fan. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what's y'all favorite movie of all time. But this is definitely my favorite movie of all time, so I had to do it. But not only did I get these, but Simi is on the way. I'll show you the back of the box. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but Simi is the one in the middle with the gray hat, dark gray hat, dark gray coat, and that is played by Arsenio Hall in the movie. I gotta get it. Now, I'm not a collector or anything like that, but it's like anything else. Once you start something, it's just like people with Jordans. Like if it's a pack, like when they used to do packs and stuff like that, you gotta finish the pack. You know what I'm saying? You got all the Satins. I gotta have all the Satin ones. So that's just what this is gonna be. I got Prince Akeem, both Prince Akeems. I got Simi on the way. Randy Watson has to come home.
Check the chocolate.
Randy Watson has to come on with me just to complete the set. I have no idea what I'm doing with these. What am I doing with these? But it's all good, man. I just wanted to show y'all that your boy, and I have another one of these coming as well. I have a Deion Sanders coming. Well, I guess I just ruined that for whenever the next unboxing is, but I got Simi coming, and I got Deion Sanders coming, the second best football player of all time. So I think I might be done. I gotta get Randy. I gotta get I got my football players, my two favorite players of all time, and I'm probably gonna have to get a Browns player now, because I'm a Browns fan, and you know what I'm saying, we about to be rocking this year. But anyway, so I'm gonna try to get those, and then if it's not Odell in a Browns jersey, if they don't come out with a Funko, which I'm sure they will, I'm gonna have to get a Baker Mayfield. But outside of that, y'all hold me to this. I don't want to have another press conference. After Randy Watson, at some point, because they're waxing for a Randy Watson. If anybody out there has a Randy Watson for these prices, let me know. I'll send you the money immediately. I'm not a Funko collector, so I'm not about to pay you $30 for a Funko. But anyway, and an OBJ or a Baker Mayfield, hold me to it. Hold my feet to the fire. Make sure I don't slip up and backslide. Can't go any further down this hole. I have no idea what I'm doing with these. OVE!